Kia ora all, ready for a raw New Zealand adventure? We're heading to Lake Rototoa. Join me on this bushwhacking wild trail to uncover this incredible crystal clear lake. Hit subscribe and let's ride. Lake Ototoa. Ototoa is a misspelling of Rototoa, the original name of this lake. Roto means lake, toa, warrior, hence Lake of the Warrior. We're going to jump in here and see if we can find any little walks around the area. Rototoa. From the picnic area and small car park, you can step straight into the bush. This isn't just any forest, it's a diverse dune forest, acting as a crucial buffer to the lake. There's a bathroom. We'll explore the fantastic place of this toilet. To the lake. After careful inspection of the toilet, it didn't turn out to be that bad. Ooh la la. As we walk, keep an eye out for the native canopy trees like kanuka, karaka, puriri, and even the towering kahakatea and totara. The track here follows the bushline, giving us a tantalizing glimpse of the water. And down door number 2. See glimpses of this glorious lake. The trail is thick. Lake Rototoa is quite remarkable. Its sand dune lake formed when advancing sand blocked ancient streams and valleys. The lake looks spectacular. It's so super clear. And its impressive size, covering 139 hectares with a depth of 26 meters. There are some ropes and I don't fancy them. It's not only the largest and deepest of the North Island West Coast sand dune lakes, but the second deepest lake in all of Auckland. It does look amazing. Just turned into super bush. I would say most people just go straight from the car park into the actual lake itself. This is like mild bush bashing. Being tall in this isn't ideal. If you head straight to Lake Rototoa, it's very easy. Sidetracks are clearly not widely used. Nope, that is progressively getting worse. Oh, hello, fish. Say goodbye, fantail. This is a perfect place to head back to the main track. This place is tucked away at the northern end of the Kaipara Harbour, South Head Peninsula. While we might know it as Lake Ototoa, its official name changed in 2013 to Lake Rototoa. Oh wow. Rototoa translates to Lake of the Warrior, linking it to the footsteps of the Kaiwhero, which is a series of lakes. As we head down to the water's edge, you'll notice the distinctive wetland fringes. It's gorgeous. The lake is lined with Ropo reedland and Maicharina sedgeland, along with other native sedges and herbs. Might be able to meander around the outside, possibly. While we might not see them today, the lake is home to small gobies and smelts, and beneath the surface you'll find freshwater mussels and koura. Shall we try the walk? Lake Rototoa is a banging spot. It's fantastic for a fresh dip, bushwhacking adventure, bird watching, or a swim. Oh no. Wow. Lake Rototoa is truly a spectacular place. Thank you for joining, please subscribe, and I look forward to walking with you in the next one.